Welcome to Inkolan. Through our website, you'll obtain fast and easy access to map supply services infrastructures and associated technical documentation from the areas of your choice. Firstly, enter the customer area, where you'll be able to start the session. Remember that if you still don't have a username and password, you can create one through the register link. Once you've started the session, you can request a new download on this page. If you've already downloaded other files, you will find them in Download History, where you can see your background and from where you can download them again if you wish. To proceed with a new download, simply click on Download. You'll have to complete an information form defining the following fields: download objective, category, type, a brief description, the estimated duration of the project, and developer. Click on Continue, and a map will appear on the left-hand side with several search options and functions. You can search by address or coordinates in the Locator section. In our example, we searched by address using the Paseo de la Castellana 1, Madrid. Adjust the viewing size and by clicking on the Draw Area icon, define the area you want to study using the area editing tools. It doesn't matter if you make a mistake, because you can move the area, edit the points by moving, adding or removing them, and import areas predetermined in KML or GeoJSON. If you want to confirm the selection, simply select the file format best suited to your needs and proceed to download. Remember that all the area selections you create will be saved in the location history. Wait for a few seconds while the system prepares a list showing you the networks in the area available for immediate download. The portal will also ask if you want to make a request for networks. Clicking on Continue will bring up the names of contacts and the terms and conditions you must accept, advising you of the extent of the exactness of the information provided by our partners and collaborators. The next windows correspond to Payment Gateway. The system, in the same way as for any transaction, will ask for details such as your card number, its expiry date and security code. Once the payment has been confirmed, the Downloads window will display your requested order. You can now download the map. The invoice will be automatically generated and sent by email. Look for the files in your download folder. In the same folder, you will find the contact details, the general conditions of the contract, a list of the entities present in the area, information about the partners, and the file containing the maps. Open the file with a compatible program. In our case, we've used the free Autodesk TrueView app. As you can see, here you have the area you selected on the map. In the drop-down menu, you will find the maps and their corresponding supply networks. That's all. We hope we've helped you. Thanks for trusting Inkolan.